Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. To start off, I want to wish everybody a happy new year to come, a happy 2021. For my last video of this year, 2020, I am super happy to present a Salvadorian recipe, which is Atol de Piña. Super easy, super tasty, so let's begin. So we're starting off by adding 2 cups of water to a pot. Next, we're going to add 2 Panela tablets. We're going to bring the water to a boil and we're going to stir occasionally so that we could help the tablets dissolve. In the meantime, while the tablets are dissolving, we're going to add 2 cups of pineapple chunks to a blender. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of water to the blender. Next, we're going to pulsate it a couple times, just enough to get a nice pulpy consistency, and then we're going to transfer this to our pot that has la panela. We are going to continue to stir until la panela is completely dissolved. As you can see here, there's still bits and pieces of it, so we're just going to continue to cook it over medium-high heat. So in the meantime, while our panela is finishing its dissolving process, we are going to add 6 sweet peppercorns or pimienta gorda, pimienta dulce. We are also going to add 2 cinnamon sticks, stirring occasionally, and now we are going to add 2 cups of rice flour, which we have already dissolved in 2 cups of water. And now we're going to add some sugar for taste. Always remember that we should start with small quantities and then build it up gradually. If it needs a little bit more sugar, we'll add it now. If it doesn't, then we'll just leave it as it is and we'll continue to stir. For our last step, we're going to bring our atol to a nice boil, stirring occasionally until we get the right consistency. We don't want it to be too runny and we also don't want it to be too thick. Just right in the middle. Once we've hit our consistency, we're going to turn it off and we're going to let it cool just for a couple of minutes. And voila, we have our delicious atol de piña, a smooth and velvety texture with a refreshing blast of flavor. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe so you never miss any other videos in the future, and also follow us on Instagram at sandapal20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye bye!